being single for the rest of my life. In fact, I wholeheartedly accepted and love myself for it. But you came and changed my perspective. I finally accepted that someone will love me despite my shortcomings, my past, and my present. Walang labis, walang kulang. Kaya salamat, walang hanggang pasasalamat sa lahat ng pagmamahal, pag-aalaga at pag-intindi sa akin sa lahat ng pagkakataon, madali man o mahirap, nandyan ka. For the past 5 years, ikaw ang naging kakampi ko sa lahat, to the point na kahit alam kong mali na ako, pero para sa'yo ang kailangan. Pinili mo pa rin akong unawain. You have taught me how to be calm, pero parang ang hirap pala. You have taught me how to be more caring because of your selflessness, to help others.